Look, there's a worm on the coconut.
What?
Look.
Don't worry about him, man. He's good, man.
Kill it. Wait, let me kill it.
A good worm, that, man. Eat them worm there.
Yeah. Never forget where you're coming from. Kingston got set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. datmisehtv. Manners and prayers. Yes. So guys, you probably would have seen our earlier vlog where we were in Port Royal. Okay, so that was a previous vlog. It's the same day, but we're just putting this video out another day. So we are in Hero Circle on the way back from Port Royal, and I had to stop and get corn and roast corn and coconut. Yeah. I keep hearing about this roast corn and coconut, and I had to try it. So you know, Hero Circle to do the crab and the corn and the soup. So yeah, when we read, we're going to show you. We're going to show you all of that.
Yeah. Right then, see circle. Yes,
alright guys.
Yeah, my people, Hero Circle, you see right across the street is Hero Circle. Yeah. So you see, when you come on Hero Circle, you have to stop at that place, yeah.
Yes, so this is where you get the crab and the corn.
You get soup, whatever soup you want, and then you get the crab. Yes.
Yes.
Corn and coconut.
Yeah.
See? Alright, left there.
Yeah, so see everybody corn there. Corn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Roast corn and roast yam.
So then here's we couldn't if we couldn't pass and not pick up some.
Here's the crab swing off over there.
Soup. Yeah. Corn. We're gonna get some. So guys, they do corn and coconut, right? And I've never had corn and coconut. Ask them. I want the corn and the coconut one. That's the one I want.
Yeah.
Where can going? How much you can?
250.
Is it coming coconut?
And a coconut?
Yeah.
That we need.
Boil and roast.
Huh?
Roast can.
Roast corn.
Yeah. Boil and roast. So roast can and boil can.
Right.
So you get roast can, you get boiled can, you get soup, you get crab.
You see them in the tire room. The fat.
You want to say something?
Yeah.
Yeah. Flash it.
I don't know if I can do it with the hand because I'd have to use the utensils.
What is this?
250.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, hold that.
Thank you.
Man, cool. Take care of yourself.
Thank you. Right.
See that, peeps. Coconut and roast can.
Coconut and roast corn.
Yeah. So if you want boiled can, you go the same way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, I'm looking forward to having it with the coconut because I've never had it with coconut before, but apparently it's a good blend. So we're gonna stop somewhere and try this.
Yeah, man.
Coconut and corn. Guys, have you had this? Coconut and corn?
Long time. No people know, no people know that something.
Yeah.
Yes, and been there and done that.
I've never tried it, but yeah.
Okay.
I can get it here, just don't mind it.
See that? Crab. See that?
Yeah. With the crab there, guys?
Yeah, man. Here's the crabs.
Yeah. Everybody is doing something.
So this is Hero Circle, my people.
Yes, so let's see Hero Circle. So is it a place people can go and walk around?
Yeah, man. You can go through and go with a little vibe, sit down and with a little vibe, same way. But you have to top part up, so that's what opposite them berry, the top man, over the Dennis Brown berry.
Okay.
Yes, and few more top man.
So like a few celebrities.
Yeah, some celebrities.
Yeah.
You go over there, you see what the nice, you know, see the ornaments in there and all these things, but don't put up over there, but yes, I'm sure I keep it better than this too. But yeah, then I hear or something, man. All man town over there, so and some more place there over there, so.
Yeah.
But yeah, Hero Circle, yes. All of this are Hero Circle, all of that. Yes, see the ornament them put over there. Them put up over there, them put something there. Yeah,
it's a big park, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's what it is, just a big,
it's a big
park.
Big park, whatever. Yeah, use that lot, but then let's use it for some historical business, whatever, blah blah.
So like, you got some. Is Bob Marley buried over there?
No man, Bob Marley put them buried off in place.
Okay.
9 Mile, yeah man. Bob Marley place, Bob Marley say no one. Bob Marley put them say now put them put back in it. No.
Okay, so we leave. Okay.
So we don't deep with that.
But you got some other celebrities that you said.
Whatever man, Dennis Brown over there and some more man over there. Remember if alternatives still come bury us or something.
Okay.
Quite a few man, yeah, big top man over there. Them bury right there.
The Hero Circle. So guys, I'm gonna try the corn And coconut. Look, there's a worm on the coconut.
What?
Look.
Don't worry about him, man. He's good, man.
Kill it. Wait, let me kill it.
A good worm, that, man. Eat them worm there.
Just shush.
What's wrong with this girl?
I'm not going to eat that with that on it, am I?
Worm there, worm you eat, man.
Alright, guys, so this is my first time having the roast, well, not my first time having roast corn, but roast corn with a coconut. So they say you must take a bite of the roast corn and take a bite of the coconut at the same time, right?
Good, that's what we do.
So I'm going to start up here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's dry, isn't it?
Yeah. So dry, now. What's it roast?
Well, this is that over roast, isn't it?
No.
I'll take a bit of the coconut.
Yeah. Chew everything together. This one got your blend, man. This one get soon reach you. I read something, man. And you eat more coconut more than can. It's not easy. You drink jelly, but you love your coconut.
Yeah. It works.
Yeah, man. When you get anything, man, you understand the matter, but it's serious thing you tell about the coconut and can.
The corn is chewy, the coconut is chewy. But I have plenty chewing.
So you know what's something good? You just blend your thing and get the flavour down the road. So if you continue with that, you know,
it's a good combination though.
Yeah, man.
You wouldn't think, you know.
I read something, man.
But the corn, the roast corn and the coconut,
I read thing, man.
It's a good combination.
Yeah, man, I read something, man. That's and I joke nothing. Way back when we call them coconut, that time we used to have a little thing over there say, ship sail. I want to sail fast. I man say, how many man on board?
Hold on, let me turn the camera. Was you saying about you back in the day you say what?
When we look at you, I look at you and I eat can. And something, yeah. Hold everybody that way. And true, right now we have a little thing we call it a little game we play in the camera. I can't really and say, alright, cool. You pick up a few grains tonight, and hold it up. You know what I mean? Nobody see it. But if a man guess it, I can tell you how much can grain it, you have to give him that, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, so the thing named ship sail. A man say sail fast. And then a man say, how many man on board? So I ask you how much can it.
Okay, yeah.
So if you get if a 20 can 20 grain and it's a 20, I'm just on counter that 20 there first give that.
Okay.
Yeah, if you miss it, it's up on the one.
This is a game you used to play as kids?
Yeah, man.
Guys, do any of you know this game?
I read it up, man. Yeah, man, ship sail. A man say sail fast. A man say, how much man on board? And for them guess it right, you have to give him that, you know.
Okay. There it is.
I read it up, man.
And coconut.
Coconut.
Alright, guys, you're not ready for it yet.
I'm not ready for it. You know, my style, you know.
But guys, at least I can say I've tried it.
Yeah, man. Good, man. All our people know that. All our people know that's what, yeah.
New Kingston, guys. You see the Pegasus there? We've got Emancipation Park to the left. Famous Emancipation Park. All the nice hotels around here. So the statue. I think we've showed this before.
Yeah.
Statue. Yeah. The Emancipation. The New Kingston.
Yeah. You are part of things, I know.
Yeah. I remember being around here years ago, going to Asylum, around here, around the corner there. And what was the other one? Quad down that road there?
Quad
was down that road near there. This place. What's this? A gas station?
Like police port.
Okay, yeah. Asylum and Quad. Those were the days.
Yes, back in the days.
A long time ago. I think I'm giving away my age. Yeah. Alright, people, my Nigeria High Commission.
Right, that's all.
Right here.
Yes. Things to go up, sir.
Maybe say something in Igbo then. Igbo. Would you know? Come on, Nigeria, represent. You love to watch the Nigerian movies. You do, Igwe. Come on, say something. You know,
King Igwe them and big up Igwe them over Nigeria and the ogre them.
What's that one?
The boss them.
Okay, the ogre's the boss.
King and the boss ogre.
Okay, so you know one or two things already.
So big up the ogre them over there. And big up the Igwe them.
Yeah, big up
Igwe. Yeah.
Big up to all our Niger people.
Yes. Can't tell them I come from across the street, not tell them I just don't chop something. Yeah.
Oh, is that what they say?
Yeah, man. Chop something not too long. Hungry. Okay. Chop something and move, you know. Yeah. Chop. Can't tell you the thing, food pepper. Trace the pepper in the food.
See, you hear him.
Yeah.
He's kind of like he don't know nothing and he knows a lot.
Say, pepper that beat me up.
Alright, good.
Yeah, me a chop enough pepper.
Good. Guys, look, I'm gonna show you this place. This is we were going to, well, we were thinking about vlogging and showing some apartments in Kingston. Can you see this one over here? In New Kingston now, this is all you see, these high-rise apartments. You know them modern swanky apartments? There's loads of them in Kingston. And you probably realise that we haven't really vlogged any or shown any properties for sale in Kingston, just because they're expensive.
Yeah,
guys, there are so many apartment blocks being built in Kingston. Like so many. Every time we come, we see a new one being put up. Nice, swanky, modern. You know like what you get in London City. There's nice apartments, modern and high ends. But oh my gosh, the reason why we don't feature them on our channel is because I think I'm not sure if a lot of the people that watch this want apartments, and so I'm not sure a lot of people that watch our channel want Kingston. I could be wrong. So we don't usually feature them. Also the price, what you can get for a studio, a 1-bedroom apartment in Kingston, you can get like a 3-bedroom house, you know, in another parish. Yeah, so yeah, they're a lot, but maybe I don't know, maybe one day we'll feature some, but we don't usually feature Kingston apartments on our channel. But there are so many. If you're interested, just have a look. There are so many Kingston apartments.
If we don't follow a long time, we put up about 2 already. One up at Cherry Garden and one down the road or something.
Yeah, we put up a house in Cherry Garden.
Yeah, but we just never follow it up.
And it was about $1 million US, right?
And
the reaction was like, it was a nice house, but the reaction was like, not $1 million for that. Yeah, no way. And we agree.
Yeah, people nearly cut and short feet, man.
Yeah, man, definitely. Alright, I will say this, guys, we show houses out there, okay? We go around the alley, we show you the new developments and stuff like that. But we have to be impartial as well, because sometimes we go in and we think it's nice, but a lot of the time we don't think it's worth that money. And also we fully understand and are aware that most Jamaicans cannot afford these gated and nice houses, communities that are being built. They're really built for foreigners, right? But we show you what's there. And we leave you to make your own informed decision. Alright guys, let me show you where we are now. We're in Waterloo. Alright, so another one here, guys. We're still on Readiness. Where are we now?
No, we're up Greenwich Park.
Greenwich Park towards Greenwich
Park. We're up on Perkins Boulevard.
Yeah, these apartments now selling at 16 mil.
Yeah, my people.
Wow, that sounds like a cheap price to me.
Yeah.
Around here,
so we left to wait there. So what today?
Starting, so you know.
Yeah, starting. You start from this one, spot, and we're gonna say there.
Yeah.
Right across from Greenwich Park, I said. You know, I'm gonna Greenwich Park.
So maybe the area has something to do with it. But these.
Yeah, I think we're left to do it. Yeah, but I just go around the side there. Yeah. See there? Queen's Hill that.
Queen's Hill.
Yeah, man, balance up back up already. Yeah, man, see them there. Look on the top of the building. The concrete looking to
I don't even know if you see that.
Cast road stuff, alright. Yeah, man. Up at top that, man. And the nice place I build up with you guys. See them there? Yeah. Yeah, so man, see there. And doing the park with there now. Yeah, they need to do the park now with people. Know the little like stretcher. Yeah, my people, we drop out on the park, you know. You know, we take them shark out and we drop at the Greenwich Park up and the ferry actually reach. So, Greenwich Park with the right hand. See there? Nice place below the Greenwich Park right now. Nice plazas and all these things. Some nice business centers. And all these things below the Greenwich Park right now, my people. See there? Yeah, so. I do them thing. So I go through and I know say I go through. So, you know what thing go? I run me a swing go.
Now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.